here in Kansas City. Marcus Officer live at the P&L. Thank you, pal. Well, people posting on social media are quick to offer homegrown tips for improving your appearance, whether it's whitening your teeth with hydrogen peroxide or using glue and charcoal to remove blackheads. But be wary of those self-care social media trends.
Yeah, let's get to Dr. Flora. Dr. Flora Stay. She's a practicing dentist, a university professor, and the founder of, I want to say this right, is it Cleure?
Cleure, which is a combination of the words clean and pure.
Cleure. I like that. So you produce a variety of, skincare products as well. Thank you for joining us this morning.
My pleasure.
Let's talk about some of these fads. First off with the teeth, the hydrogen peroxide. Good idea or bad idea?
Very bad idea. Hydrogen peroxide penetrates the enamel, which is the outer surface of the tooth, and it weakens it, and you can't replace enamel. So it can actually cause sensitivity. If you don't use it correctly or tend to swallow it by accident, it can be very harmful. At the dental practices, we use something called carbamide peroxide, which just stays on the surface of the tooth. It doesn't penetrate enamel. And we use different percentages based on the person's condition of their teeth. So no, don't go for the peroxide teeth whitening. Bad idea.
And I guess charcoal has become a popular ingredient in skin and in oral products. Why should we should be concerned about charcoal, other than we should use it for grilling as opposed to skincare?
Exactly. I couldn't agree with you more. Charcoal is very abrasive, and over time, as again, it'll wear away the enamel, which is the outer surface of the tooth, and it can expose dentin, which has a yellowish hue to it. So you can actually permanently stain your teeth if you continue to use it, and it's in a very abrasive amount of percentage. It can be harmful. So stay away from charcoal toothpaste.
Doctor, what are some of the other fads on social media that cause concern?
Actually, I just want to say, because I know we don't have much time, on my website, drstay.com, we do have a lot of information about the bad ones and the ones that are okay. One of those fads is micro needling, which dermatologists and professionals use to stimulate collagen in your skin. But when they recommend to do it yourself, it can actually harm the skin and even cause infections. Most of these people that do the influencers, they use special lighting so that their skin looks flawless and looks very nice. And they're not professionals. They're not healthcare professionals. So they're usually paid to recommend products or else make up their own techniques just to get a lot of followers. Because if they get a lot of followers, then they can get paid to promote products without knowing anything about ingredients. It's all about the ingredients in the products. So dermatologists, and in fact, we have the list on our website, that dermatologists warn some ingredients can actually be allergens and cause a lot of problems. Even botanicals, plant extracts, essential oils can actually be harmful. Children's toothpaste has a warning on the back for a reason. If it contains fluoride, if a child, it says, keep out of reach of children under the age of 6. And if more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, contact Poison Control Center. And the reason is that children can't spit. So if they swallow those bubblegum flavored toothpaste, it can be fatal. So if something sounds too good to be true on social media, then believe it, but it's not going to work.
Yep. All right. Dr. Stay with some important information for us. Thanks for sharing it with us, and it's great to see you. Thank you.
My pleasure. Anytime.
All
Take
right.
care. We'll be right back.